Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March 3rd week exclusive love reading. So if you are in a relationship, situationship or marriage, this reading is for you. This is going to last from 17th March till the 23rd March. Your cards are already out, so let's see what's going in your personal life. You've got the Alchemist and the Ten of Suns, and you've also got the Pope, the Four of Moons and the Temperance. Okay, Taurus, I can see that it's a difficult period for you. Okay, you're being blamed and criticized and put down in every area of your life. It can be from your own family, it can be from your in-laws, it can be from your spouse or friends as well. I do see that someone is constantly criticizing you. If your marriage is not going well, people are criticizing and blaming you for it. If your relationship is not going well, if you've just had a breakup or no contact, they are blaming you, right? Everyone is blaming you. And if you're single, people are blaming you that you're single because of yourself, because of your nature, because you don't go out, because you reject good offers, something like that. Somebody is blaming you, criticizing you. People who were once on your side have backstabbed you. They are not no longer on your side. Some people even would have been a false witness to your cases where you know things which have never happened, but they created a scene like yes, it has happened. So yes, I understand it is a difficult period for you. I also see that you were planning of marriage with some person that you were speaking to, but they suddenly abandoned you, they blocked you, they ran away, did not give you any explanation, right? So they simply ghosted you. You could have been a victim of that as well. I do see that this problem is actually weighing you very down because I can sense very heavy energies from this reading. Yes, so you have been very, very sad and upset about you. Some of you could be not sleeping well, not eating well, right? Crying or overthinking the situation. Well, if your question is whether the situation is going to get better or not, whether your ex is going to come back or not, then it's a good news for you. Why? Because that is a temperance card is here. Temperance card means that yes, reconciliation will happen, but not so soon, right? Not before you go through all the trauma that you're going through right now. So have patience, guys. The situation is going to change. Reconciliation is going to happen, but not the same way as you expected, but not when you are going to expect it, right? So see, when a person comes back, when they try to forgive and forget, things are not really the same, right? Your equation with your family, with people who you once trusted, and they, stabbed you in the back or did not uh, uh, stay by your side. Your equation is going to change with a lot of people, with your own friends, with your own family, whoever was blaming and criticizing you, or with this partner as well, right? Because they just ghosted you. So you'll never look at them the same way. But if you really want the relationship to work, you will have to adapt to the current situation, which means you'll have to be a little compromising in this situation, adapt to how they are right now rather than what you expect them to be or what they were in the past, right? A situation is going to change, but definitely a reconciliation is going to happen. The cards are also asking you to have some sort of self control, which means don't give up so soon, which means don't get into negative habits as well, negative thinking as well. So try to have some sort of self control. In the meanwhile, keep taking care of your health. The situation will be balanced again. A stability is coming back into your life again. Right now, your life is like this, I understand, but it's going to change, right? So be patient, have some sort of control over yourself, over your negative patterns, and things are going to change for sure. So, yes, it's going to get better, Taurus. Don't lose hope. And if you guys resonated with my reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And also please follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, because I post all updates regarding both my channels over there. And if you still have any questions regarding this reading or any other question area of your life regarding health, money, career, exam, anything, you can always book a reading with me. Most importantly, it was full moon on the 14th of March, which was yesterday. The energies are still very strong in the air. It is today also in a lot of areas, March 15th. If you feel stuck in any area of your life, whether marriage is not happening, promotion is not happening, or partner has blocked you, not coming back, if you want a blockage removal ritual, you can book it today. Please book it before 9 o'clock or something, so that I can give it to you on time, so that you can start tonight before sleeping. It will be very effective because the energies are very, very strong. My charges are very cheap. My lowest charge starts at 170 rupees for one question. If you have a specific question, one area of your life blockage removal is 251 rupees only. And if you are in no contact and you want to know your partner's current feelings, it's 260 rupees only. So it goes up to 1000 something. It's very, very cheap. It's very, very budgeted. Okay, so don't fear booking a reading. Don't fear asking a question. Don't fear asking for any sort of clarity in your life, because this is not expensive at all. So yes, guys, book a reading. How will you book that? You can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram me as well. DM me and I will send you the charges. You can book it instantly. Even if you are internationally settled, where you can use PayPal and where you can make payments in USD, this is a reading for you as well. If you are an Indian, the charges are in INR. Okay. So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.